Going to show you how a diabetic eats. If you want to have a really healthy diet, you can't do no carbs. They have this shit called, let me get on and look. Butter don't have no carbs, believe it or not. Neither does mayonnaise. God. Thank God. But anyway, I showed you the meat. But here we go. I always buy the day-old meat, the meat that's on sale. I don't know why, it's just the way I roll. Looks like it's pretty lean, no fat. I like that. You know, I really don't know what all the hype is about the ribeye. You know, I probably ate, at least 100 of them since I've been diagnosed with diabetes. You know, I don't care much for the fat. You know, and I've always been like that too, you know, just saying. I would even do something like a tougher steak just to get away from the fat. What I've come to find out, my favorite steak is the T-bone. Best flavor, just saying. Yeah, this stuff don't take too long to cook. While I'm waiting to get that done, I'm going to crack 5 eggs. I'm doing that right now while I'm talking to you. Being a diabetic, I buy my eggs in 5 dozen cartons, and I'll boil 18 of them at one time. I'll have to show you that. I figured out the best way. My shells don't stick or nothing like that. It's pretty good. So I'm just mixing up the eggs. Y'all know how to do that. Okay, I take a little bit of onion powder, sprinkle it on here. I take some black pepper, sprinkle it on here. I take a little bit of salt. Now, believe it or not, people say you're not supposed to have salt. If you don't have salt and you're a cyclist, you're going to have cramps all day long. So you better eat some salt. I'm just saying. Whatever you're hearing about salt really ain't true. People need salt. Simple as that. You're sweating salt. But anyway, get it good and browned up. We've got the flavor in. people like their steak and beef rare, I'll go a little rare, but I don't want no, you know, my whole life I thought that I was that medium rare guy. Medium's good enough for me. Just saying. Now meanwhile, while I'm cooking, I'll actually get my dish water ready to go. I'm doing that right now. I don't want to move the camera because it's right situation perfect. Okay, you know, I'm thinking that meat's ready to go. So what I'll do is I'll sort of level it out like this. Then I'll take my eggs, pour them on in. Okay. Going now. Okay. I buy my American cheese over at Sam's Club. I get it for 5 pounds. I put it inside here. I'm going to use 3 slices of American cheese. Why? Because I like American cheese. I'm just saying. Yeah, I like American cheese. Of course, I like Swiss cheese. I like cheddar cheese. You see how I left that spot with no eggs? So I can get all the edge. See it? Running around. And that's how I get this sort of dried out on top. Now this is enough for a couple of meals, but wait until that gets a little bit more done. We'll load the cheese on it. That's the meal. And then I have an avocado ready to go. These ones here are getting ripe, sort of like the Linda's. They have the best ones for me. Get them at Walmart's. I eat a lot of cashews, pistachios. I tried some sunflower seeds. Damn, they get me sick. I don't know what the hell. The roof of my mouth immediately starts to itch, you know, so I can't eat the sunflower seeds, but I seem to be okay with the pistachios. Okay, so now I put this cheese on. 3 slices. Plap, plap, plap. I take this, turn it over. Yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen like that, but this here, folks, is a meal fit for a king. or at least a diabetic. Okay, guys, you have a great night. My meal's ready. We'll get this mess cleaned up. You guys have a fantastic night. We'll see you. Bye-bye.